Astronauts Nick Hague and Suni Williams successfully completed a spacewalk on January 16th to repair the Neutron star interior composition explorer and inspect the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer on the International Space Station. Hague fixed a light leak in the NICER, allowing it to resume X-ray observations, while Williams replaced a docking reflector. They also performed preparatory work on the AMS, which studies cosmic rays and dark matter for future maintenance. The spacewalk marked the 91st U.S. EVA and was the first successful American EVA in over a year, Space.com has reported. Hague and Williams completed all tasks in a 6-hour EVA.